Are you struggling with your middle split? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you the 5 dynamic stretches that I use to get mine. So let's get to it. Our first exercise, we are gonna do a facing the bar, 2 hands on the bar, and we are going to do sideways swing of the leg. It's going to be very simple, it's not gonna be that technical. The only thing that I need from you is that you make sure that your hips stay square and facing forward. They don't go with the leg. Now you can either do it straight with a stretched leg, you can bend your knee and you can point or flex your toes. It all is going to depend on your own abilities. Some of you will be able to bring your leg really high, and some of you will just do it to this level. Feel your body, your muscles, and you follow them, okay? Let's do 10 each side. Tendu, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we change legs and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, take your time, 9, 10. Awesome. Our second exercise, we're going to do swing of the legs front and back, and it's going to demand from you the same. Do it to your own level and make sure that hips are square facing forward and it doesn't go with the leg. Hands on the waist, and we're going to do 10 one side and then we change. Let's do it. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we change. 5, 6, 7, let's go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Our next exercise, we're going to do side squats, and how deep down you go, it depends on you, okay? So feel your hips, feel your flexor, your muscles, and already if you are stretching here by just tilting your hips back, well, just stretch there and go to the other side, okay? If not, we are going to add a small flexion of legs, and if you feel that this for you is already too simple, well, go all the way down and change to the other side. Now what we're going to do is 5 each side, in total 10, and we are going to begin right now. 5, 6, 7, and go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. For our next exercise, we're going down in our knee. We're going to open one leg in front of us, and what we're going to do is roll forward to a lunge position and back. Now, make sure that your knee goes over your toes. You are feeling this tight here, stretching, and back. And we're going to do 5 each side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, back, and 2, back, and 3, back, and 4, one more, 5, hold it, stretch, and go up and change. Now, make sure to put something under this knee because it's gonna hurt. Again, we go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, and 5. Now hold it, feel the stretch in your back leg, and recover up. Okay, so for our next exercise, we're gonna sit on the floor. We are gonna open legs in a small V in front of us, and we are gonna bend one knee. We are gonna stretch sideways to the leg, up, twist, and then we are gonna face the leg, up and twist. And we are gonna do that 4 times each leg. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, twist and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist sideways. 2, 2, 3, 4, up, twist, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and go. 3, 2, 3, 4, up, twist, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and down. And 4, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. And we change to the other side. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and down. 3, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and last one. 4, 2, 3, 4, up, twist and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, and we are done. Okay, dancers, so now we are ready for our middle split, but if you need more exercises, you can always check right here in these cards or down below in the description of this video, where I'm gonna leave more exercises and stretches for you. So thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time.
Hola, hola, cosita mía.